So in today's video, we will show you how to start generating money online with nothing more than an email address. Yes, you heard that correctly. All you want is a basic email address. It doesn't matter if it's a Gmail account, Yahoo account, an Outlook account, or anything else. You will learn how to generate substantial amount of money online just by writing emails in this video. The best aspect is that it can be done completely on autopilot, which is a rare occurrence these days. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. Let's break this down into a series of easy steps to make it easier to understand. To begin, you will need to open an email account. For this video, we will be utilizing Google. This is step number 1. If we open our web browser and go to google.com and click on the symbol above, you'll be able to see your account. That is assuming that you already have one. If you do, then you can use that account for this method. However, if you do not have an account, all you need to do is click on the button that says Add Another Account. And after you've arrived at this page, you may proceed to sign up. Just click on the Create Account button on the bottom and select For Myself since you will be using this for personal use. To make an account, you only need to enter your first and last name followed by your username and your password, and you will be able to create an account in seconds. The second step is to open another tab on your browser, preferably Google Chrome. If you don't have Google Chrome, downloading and installing it will be easy, so you should first do that. Then search for the Google Chrome Web Store. You can type this address on the address bar and the website should look like this. And then after you've arrived at the website, all you have to do is enter Facebook Pixel into the search bar right here. After that, you'll see this extension appear right here on your screen. This is what we're going to use today to earn money online in today's video. All you have to do is just click the Add to Chrome button right here, and now the extension is on your Google Chrome browser. So what does Facebook Pixel Helper do? This tool is used to keep track of anybody who visits a specific website. So this simply means that when someone visits a website, a cookie is left on their browser so that they can monitor them and retarget them, and we know where they came from. This is what will make us earn tons of money in today's video. So for the third step, all you need is to return to Google and search for businesses or companies that do not have Facebook Pixel Helper on their website. We're going to use Google Maps for this. If you think about it, a lot of big and small businesses have shifted to e-commerce since the pandemic. It's never a bad moment to use this method. As a result, the company owners will be more than ready to pay you for this service to assist them in retargeting customers through the Facebook Pixel Helper. This will help them gain more revenue and exposure in their businesses. So, for example, we want to help dentists near your area. Keep in mind that this method is worldwide, so even if you are in any part of the world, then you can still do this. Even if the dental clinic that you want to help is in Canada or US or in China, you can still do this method since you really don't have to go there to start this method. Now on the left-hand side of Google Maps, you can see a bunch of dental clinics near your area, and all we're going to do is go through all of these different websites to determine whether any of them are actually using Facebook Pixel Helper. Just open as many websites as you can, and we want you guys to pay attention to the small Facebook Pixel Helper icon on the upper left side of your browser. Once we visit one website, for example this one, we can see that the Facebook Pixel Helper icon did not change, which means that this website does not have a tracking feature and does not have a Facebook Pixel installed. And if you visit this website, you can see that the Facebook Pixel Helper icon turned blue, which means that they have a Facebook Pixel installed on their website and are tracking anyone who visits their website and retargets them. So we don't need to help the business since they are already on the right track. For businesses that do not have Facebook Pixel, we are going to help them today. We're going to help them set up Facebook Pixel Helper on their websites, and in return, they're going to pay us a lot of money for this since we will be bringing a lot of more people or customers to their businesses. So watch the next part of this video to learn how. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. For the step number 4, what we need to do is to reach out to different companies and businesses that do not have Facebook Pixel Helper installed on their websites. And the way to do that is by sending them an email, because virtually every one of these businesses will have an email address, and this is a normal practice on the internet nowadays. Once you have found their email address on their website, the next thing that you will do is send an email to them letting them know the status of their website and what you can do to help them improve the status of it. We have made a template that you should send to these companies and businesses. This is completely free, and you can just pause this video to copy the template. In this template, it tells the company and businesses how you can help them, and if they are struggling in their businesses, you are willing to give a discount. You can change how much you want to charge them. It can be $100, $200, or even $500. The choice is yours. Just make sure that the prices you set are reasonable for these businesses. We are going to show you a way to automate the emailing process so that you don't have to do anything. Since you will be messaging a lot of companies, it will get tiring for you. This simple trick will help you get started immediately. What we want you to do is go to this website right here. This website is called rebump.cc. So what does this website do? Rebump sends friendly follow-up messages to your email recipients for you. These automated emails are customized to appear as if you send the email to yourself. So by using this Chrome extension, you can send tons of emails to different companies and send follow-up emails to them if they do not respond the first time. It will help you increase the response rate to your emails and earn a lot of money. However, using this extension is not free. You will have to pay $5 monthly to use this. They do have a 30-day trial, so you can test how this extension works and how helpful it will be. Don't worry, $5 is just a small dime compared to what you will be earning while using automated system to help companies and businesses. So this is a fair trade. Now, for the 5th and final step. The most important and crucial step for this method, so make sure to watch carefully. What we're going to do is learn how to set up Facebook Pixel for the companies and businesses. There are a few ways to do this. The first way is through YouTube. If we type on the search box how to set up Facebook Pixel and run ads, we can learn how to set up Facebook Pixel and run advertising from a variety of training videos that have been listed by YouTube. And if you do this, then 100% of the profit that you make for helping businesses will be yours, since it is you who did all the hard work. And if you decide to watch a tutorial on YouTube, it will only take you a few minutes to watch them. So it won't take long at all. Even non-tech savvy people can do this. This is very, very easy. However, if you do not want to do this, if you do not want to do any work at all, then we'll give you another way. What we want for you to do is go on Fiverr. And on Fiverr, just search the keyword Facebook Pixel and you will see tons of people offering to install Facebook Pixel to websites. What we're going to do is what is commonly known as drop servicing. It is a practice of selling a service to a customer and then hiring someone else to provide a service for a lower price. For example, you advertise to integrate Facebook Pixel to a company's website. Then when that company agrees, then you hire a freelancer to do the work for you. As you can see, you can hire a freelancer for as low as $10. So imagine advertising to help people with their website for $100, and you pay a freelancer to do the job for $10. You still have $90 profit. And the best thing is you don't have to do anything. Now all you have to do is find a high-quality freelancer on Fiverr. You can check the ratings of each freelancer and pick a freelancer that you know will do a high-quality job. Once you have picked a freelancer, just feel free to contact the freelancer to discuss and negotiate about payment and other important things regarding the business. And that is how it is done. Super simple, right? Just find a freelancer on Fiverr and make them do the job for you. This is a super simple and easy way to make money. You basically do not have to do anything. You can earn lots of money using this method. So, what are you waiting for? Follow the steps in this video and earn lots of money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.